Hello and welcome to this video series on how to create a racing game mechanic. My name is Jay Santos and I'm the Developer Relations Manager here at Anything World. So in this first video, let's show you what we are going to create in this video series. So we'll have a car that you can drive around the circuit. You can notice on the bottom right, you have a lap time information, and on the bottom left, you have the rotations per minute and speed gauge in the car. You have audio effects that I have disabled now for my narration, but we'll show you in future videos. There are lights that represent the car braking, and we also have some drifting by pressing the spacebar and using the handbrake. We'll also teach you how to do some anti-cheat control to avoid the player to simply reversing and going through the finish line again for a very short lap time. And we will also keep track of the fastest lap. So let me just speed up here and show you when I get to the finish line. And there you have a fast lap time of 1 minute and 50. So let's get started.